sarvagaḥ sarvavidbhānurviṣvakseno janārdanaḥ vedo vedavitavyaṃgo vedaṃgo vedavit kaviḥ. Sarvanga means one who is present everywhere, one who is complete knowledge, one who knows everything, and finally one who destroys everything. Sarvavidbhānu, that is, it can be split into sarvavit plus bhānu. Here, sarvavit means one who possesses everything, personification of truth. Intimate desire. Bhānu means one who gives brightness to everything, that is sun. Sarvavidbhānu means personification of truth and the energy behind the brightness. Viṣvakseno. We cannot hide anything from God, or we cannot do anything without God's knowledge. His army is present in every part of this universe. With an inner subjective world, Pindahanda, that is microcosm, and with an objective world, Brahmanda, macrocosm. God is present as the powerhouse within the heart as lotus. A wise person or sage who possesses intuitive powers have revealed that God is present as energy in a small orifice in the middle of an object shaped like a small crimson red lotus in our heart. And Lord Vayu performs Hamsa Japa inside us 21,600 times daily. That is 21,600 breaths per day. That is one breath per 4 seconds, including inhaling and exhaling. The God is surrounded by his family or army. That is, in the eyes as sun, in the ears as moon, in the nose as Vayu, in the tongue as Varuna, in the mouth as Agni, in the hands as Indra, in the legs as Jayanta. In this way, God's family, that is Parivara Devategalu, are present in every sense organs. He, along with Goddess Lakshmi, controls the presiding deities in Annamaya Kosha, composed of the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Pranamaya Kosha, composed of 5 pranas or breath: prana, udana, vyana, samana, and apana, as well as the 5 organs of action, karmendriyas: mouth, hands, feet, rectum, and genitals. Manomaya Kosha, composed of thoughts, emotions, feelings, imagination, memories, and the subconscious mind. Vijnanamaya Kosha, composed of intellect along with ego. Anandamaya Kosha, composed of vasanas, that is latent tendencies and desires in the personalities. It carries the soul's many experiences throughout its rebirth. One who is present in the sun's rays and presiding over this world is known as Visvakseno. Janārdanaḥ. Jana plus Ardhana. J is equal to janārdanaḥ. Here, Ardhana conveys the meaning that one who ends. Jana has various meaning. Jana means sinful people. Janārdana means one who ends sinful people. Jana means one who will be born again and again. Janana means one who ends a circle of birth, that is one who gives mukti or salvation, and ends a circle of life and death. Jana means our materialistic body. Janārdana means one who liberates the souls from this materialistic body and gives mukti or salvation. Jana means pious people. Janārdana means one who accepts the prayers and good karmas of pious people and fulfills their desires. Veda. All words and Veda, that is knowledge, are embodied and extol the qualities and virtues of God. He is infinite, all-knowing, and one who gives us knowledge. The one who, along with knowledge, gives us memory is known as Veda. Vedavit. As the Lord stated in Bhagavad Gita, Vedantakrit, vedavidavyaṃgo, chapter 15, Sloka 15. He is the only one who knows the entire meaning of Veda. Vedas extol the numerous qualities of the God. However, we cannot understand all the meanings because our knowledge has limits. Humans does not have the capability to understand all the meanings embodied in the Vedas. Every word in the Vedas have at least 3 meanings, and only God knows all the meanings. As human beings, we are only able to understand a limited number of meanings in the Vedas. Hence, the one who understands all the meanings embodied in the Vedas and is extolled in the Vedas, and he is the Veda himself, is vedavit. Avyaṃgaha. Here, Vyangaha means handicapped. Avyaṃgaha means who is complete or not handicapped. God's every part is complete form, and hence he is Avyaṃga. Also, Avi means sun, Surya. Avihi means fire, Agni. Sun in the sky, fire in the earth, and air, Vayu, in our breath, are the three brilliant forms. Hence, learned people meditate upon the brilliant form, the god in sun, Surya Narayana, worship god in fire, is also very well known, Agnihotra. Hence, the god who in his three brilliant forms protects this world is known as Avyangaha. Vedāṃga. The one who is extolled in the six organs of the Vedas is Vedāṃga. The six organs in the Vedas are Shiksha. Shiksha means Shikshana. The scriptures that inform us how to pronounce Veda mantra using our experiences and speech is known as Shiksha. In Sanskrit, if we mispronounce, it will convey a different meaning. For example, Phala and Pala. Here, Phala means fruit. Phala means meat. Henceforth, the Veda mantra should be recited very carefully. Henceforth, we recite mantra, Prayashchita mantra, to ask forgiveness for our mispronunciation at the end. We recite the Prayashchita mantra. Prayashchita mantra, Madhye mantra tantra swara varana lopa, dosha prayashchitartam, namatre japam karishe, and then 3 times we recite Om Achyutaya Namaha, Om Anantaya Namaha, Om Govindaya Namaha, Om Achyutaya Ananta Govindobhyo Namo Namaha. Kalpa. Kalpa informs us what mantra and what procedure to use. Vyakarana informs us grammatically how to pronounce. Nirukta. When we break a word, what root word the split word originates from and what is the meaning of the root word is informed by Nirukta. Jyotishya informs us what is the auspicious occasion to perform good deeds. There are positive and negative energies in the environment surrounding us. When you perform good deeds, when there are positive energies in the environment, it will bear fruits. Chandasu informs us the rhythmic pattern when reciting the Vedas, for which the 6 organs present in the Vedas are present is called Vedāṃga. Vedavit. The word comes twice in the Sloka. Here, Veda means knowledge and Vit means knower. God is the knower and the knowledge. He is the knowledge and also the knower. The one who has given us Vedas through sages and who is extolled and worshipped in the Vedas is Vedavit. Kaviḥ. We first start with reciting Ganapati Stotra before reciting any Vedic scriptures. Here, in the Stotra, Ganapati is described as the poet of poets or master of the poets. Hence, we request Ganapati to come and sit in us. Who is the poet of poets and superior among all the Ganas or beings or group before we start reciting any Vedic scriptures? What is the meaning? Why is God called Ganapati? Why should one start by reciting Ganapati Stotra? Ganapati is the presiding deity for the sky. He is the human soul, souls that have been uplifted, Bhutagana, living beings in materialistic form, the presiding deities in all the sense organs. The entire universe is comprised of sky or space. Ganapati is the ruler of the earth, water, fire, air and space, sky, atmosphere, ether, also known as Panchabhuta. He is the ruler of the materialistic body that is made up of Panchabhuta. We first worship the Lord of the Indriya sense organs, Ganapati. We request him to come and sit in our sense organs and request him to enable us to worship you, enable us to see you through our eyes, enable us to praise you through our mouth. God is forever poet of poets, Anadikavi, and Lord Brahma is the first poet, Adikavi. Here, Kavi means one who knows everything, omniscient. Besides this, there are various meanings for Kavi. The one who clarifies words, one who relates words, one who can interpret words in different ways. Commoners like us, we use many words in our day-to-day activities without knowing the true meanings. Our education system is also one of the reasons for this. One who understands the true inner meanings of a word and uses it appropriately in day-to-day communications is known as Kavi. God is the poet of poets, and he is forever the poet of poets and does not change with time. All let us extol God. Here, Ka means happiness, Va means knowledge, Vi means supreme knowledge. Hence, Kavi means supreme and pure bliss or happiness and knowledge. Hari Om.